Non-profit organization Airport RFID Technology Alliance, also known as ARTA, is developing a system to provide sterilization information to passengers combining UVC sterilization and information technology. This should contribute to the early restart of international travel under COVID-19 pandemic and at the same time preventing the spread of COVID-19. The tests are conducted with the cooperation of Iwasaki Electric Company and Chubu International Airport Company. The world's first test of the system will be conducted at Chubu International Airport from October 14th to November 6, 2020. From the issues and results earned from this test, review will be done by the end of November so that we can provide a commercialized model to the major airports in Japan. This should help to restore the inbound passenger demand and contribute as a safety measure for the airports to be prepared for the Tokyo Olympics and Paralympic Games. At the same time, visualizing and providing safe and secure environment to passengers, airport employees, and the residents. Here's the overview of the information system using UVC sterilization and information technologies at airports. There are many confronting factors to the restart of international flights, in particular the facilities where they need measures to prevent infection of COVID-19 from overseas. To deal with the sterilization issue, ultraviolet sterilization of arrival baggage and baggage carts combined with RFID tags, together with a study of traceability management, will be tested. This is to prepare for the time when demand for international routes resumes. Also, this should demonstrate that safety and security for international passengers, airport employees, and residents will be secured. By encouraging early adoption of the system at each airport, this should accelerate the restart of international flights. We have tested the UVC sterilization and traceability of baggage carts, checked baggage, security check trays, and baggage bins for the checked baggage. At the arrival area, we'll provide arrival notification of the checked baggage so that the passenger can keep social distancing around the baggage carousel together with the baggage cart sterilization information. Baggage carts used at the airport are regularly manually sterilized. However, since they are used by unspecified number of people, uncertainty exists and cannot completely guarantee the safety and security. The UVC sterilization device is installed at the corridor after the carts are collected, and with the label on each cart, which has RFID and unique QR code on it, the carts are read by the RFID tag antenna in the cart sterilizer to record the sterilized date and time. Passengers scanning the QR code with the smartphone, they can obtain the sterilization date and time of the cart. Arrival baggage will be sterilized on the baggage conveyor belt using UVC to prevent COVID-19 infection. This means that baggage sent into the arrival hall are now clean and will not cause secondary infection. Also, airport staff can unload these baggage, which used to remain on the carousel because of the long quarantine process for the passengers to arrive at the arrival hall. Eventually, this will help the airport to utilize its resource effectively when more flights are restored. Arrival baggage notification will be displayed on the screen on the passenger's smartphone so that they can keep social distancing at the baggage carousel. Tracking information of the baggage will be collected by the IT equipment installed on the baggage conveyor belt, which is a RFID tag reader antenna combined with barcode recognition cameras. Scanning this QR code with the camera of the smartphone, apps will be shown, and by entering the baggage tag number, it will show the status of the baggage. There will be a large display at the baggage carousel showing the status by tag number for those passengers without smartphones or those who cannot launch the apps. Since the passenger knows when their baggage will be on the carousel, it is not necessary to be close to the carousel, and therefore they will be able to maintain social distancing. Security trays used at the airport are also used by an unspecified number of people. However, due to the nature of the facility, this will be tested using UVC sterilizer at the airport staff security lane. Baggage bins for checked baggage are also used by an unspecified number of people. These will also be sterilized by UVC when returned to reduce the risk of secondary infection and for the safety of airport handling staff. As same as the baggage cards, these will also be labeled with RFID labels with QR code so that the sterilized information will be available on the smartphone by scanning the QR code. So from the results we will be able to obtain from this testing, we should be able to deal with the COVID-19 and also provide the safety to all the stakeholders, including the airport staff. We hope that this will be commercialized soon and will be used by all the airports. Thank you.